So for a transformer, there is a primary coil and then there is a secondary coil. The number of turns in the primary coil is 410, secondary coil is 1230. If the current here is 6 ampere, what is the current in the secondary? That is a question. We know that number of turns of the secondary coil by number of turns of the primary coil is equal to, we know basically the EMF induced is directly proportional to number of turns. So number of turns in the secondary coil is directly proportional to voltage in the secondary by voltage in the primary, but the current is inversely proportional, because which will be equal to current in the primary by current in the secondary. So equating these two, current in the primary coil by current in the secondary coil equal to number of turns in the secondary coil by number of turns in the primary coil. Secondary coil is 1230 by this is 410. So current in the secondary coil, that will be coming to this side, that becomes 410 by 1230 into current in the primary coil. But current in the primary coil is 6 ampere. So this can be written as 6 ampere. Then the 6 cancels this 2 times and then 0 5 times. 410 by 205, which will be equal to 2 amperes. So more than the number of the primary coil, number of turns of the primary coil, secondary coil has more number of turns. So from here to here, voltage increases and hence current decreases, because the power for an ideal transformer, power is constant. So in the step up transform, this is a step up transformer, obviously the answer should be less than 6 ampere. That you keep in mind, because of the 4 choices, only 2 choices have two answers. I mean, 2 choices have less than 6 ampere and 2 choices have more than 6 amperes. The answer they have given are 2 ampere, 1 ampere, and then 18 ampere and 12 ampere. So you know that more than the primary coil, secondary coil contain more turns. Obviously voltage is going to increase, then because of that the current is going to decrease. If the primary current is 6 ampere, secondary current cannot be more than 6 ampere, so you can discount these choices. So even in the worst case, if you just guess between these 2 choices, you will be most probably getting correct. So the option is here 2 amperes.